Hello everybody, I have an update here on this. It's a baby fiddle leaf. And there's the update from the swap that I got from one of my subscribers, and it is grown big, more leaves on it comparing to before. Yeah, so it's looking very nice. I have it in the washroom. It's dusty though. I need to clean the leaves. I brought it downstairs so I can clean the leaves. And yeah, so far it's been doing great. I only water when it's dry, and it's been doing fine. I can see the leaves are so big. They're big, and it's still like a small plant. It's not like as huge as I've seen that they grow huge. It's actually an easy plant to grow so far I've seen. It's not much care to it. All I have to do is make sure I water when it's dry, and then just clean the leaves when it's dusty. It's really healthy looking, and I keep on getting more leaves, and it's just bunch. It's another plant that anybody can grow so far I see. It's very easy. Okay, my friends, and yes, so that's the update for this fiddle leaf, and it's gorgeous. Yes, it's just growing. Just the sticks. I put a stick in the middle so I can kind of tie it. I tied it with not a string, just a thing that I had, a cloth with a sticky something that sticks on it, and I put a stick in the middle, and I just kind of put them close a bit together so that way one is not leaning too much this way, the other one was leaning too much that way, because the leaves are weighing more, right? And that's about it. And it's so far so good. It's doing great. So another plant that is so easy to grow for anybody that thinks they don't have a green thumb. I think this is an easy plant. Alright, my friends, if you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share, like, and comment below. And hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.